Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pivx coin. Ticker symbol is also Pivx, and that is the name of the coin. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. You can find it at _Pivx. This coin just got a couple of brand new central exchange listings, so we're going to talk about the info on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So, this coin got a few new listings here recently. They were recently listed on Changejelly. Then they were also listed on Whitebit recently. There was an announcement on their Twitter here about that. And and they also got listed on Coinex Global. So a lot of those are kind of like tier 3 exchanges. But Coinex Global is kind of more of the tier 2 exchange. And if you are looking to get this coin, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. Basically, if you're looking to buy the Pivx coin, all you would have to do is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Pivx, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they do have a decent following here on Twitter. You can check out their Twitter. It has almost 70,000 Twitter followers, 69,600 Twitter followers. And their webpage is on here. You can find that at pivx.org. You can find their Telegram at Pivx chat listed on there. And then their contact info as well. It says, "We believe it's your right to keep your data secure while transacting online. User data protection protected, instant verified. Experience the freedom of global digital cash with Shield user data protection." And they almost have 6,000 tweets on here, so very active on there. Now, if you go to their Telegram channel, they have 2,104 subscribers on there, so you can get involved with the chat on there if you like. Now, on their webpage, you can change the language, all sorts of different languages. Tells you the coin price there. It looks like about 21 cents, it says. I don't know when's the last time this was updated, though. On their webpage, they have a features section where you can go through shield protection, advanced proof of stake, cold staking, masternodes, decentralized governance, sustainable economics, roadmap 2023. They have their wallets. They have community exchanges, shield tipping, governance proposals, sport ambassadors, merchant integration, their block explorer, white papers, statistics, forums, user guides, support, regulatory info, news, and then other info just about the coin specs, basically. All sorts of things are on here. So you could read for hours on here, but we'll go over the important parts. So why would you get Pivx? Well, experience the difference with Pivx. Store the value with rewards. So Pivx rewards users who hold PIV in their wallets for keeping their wallets online and updated. The more PIV you have, the more rewards you earn. The official Pivx wallet is like having your own personal bank with reward system based on the amount of PIV you have. It's got dedicated developers, so Pivx's main development team is composed of 3 experienced blockchain developers with a combined total of more than 14 years of active blockchain development. Each of them has been working on Pivx for 3 years. Community developers regularly provide extra support. we have the sustainable economics. So PIVX is designed to balance inflation and deflation in the long term, maximizing the network's value and security while supporting a decentralized and scalable node infrastructure. Your privacy, your choice. So your balance is available for private and transparent transactions at any time. You can keep your identity, addresses, and balances secure when they're needed or desired. Now, they have fast and low-cost transactions, so you could send and receive funds with PIVX in less than a second for a fraction of a PIV. They have the secure cold staking, so keep your PIV secure in cold storage, while a hot wallet handles staking, earning you rewards. They also have master nodes and rewards, so earn rewards by securing the network and providing second layer services while keeping your collateral safe online. Also, growth potential. With a market differential of about $1 billion relative to its competitors, PIVX has tremendous scope of opportunity for growth. It's got built-in community governance. So the PIVX governance model includes a blockchain-based system utilizing masternodes, allowing for the community's proposals to be funded based on voting consensus. Infinite funding runway. So PIVX's built-in governance provides for budget dispersals every 30 minutes, ensuring that there are PIV available for the continued development and marketing. Also advanced wallets. So from PIVX's completely unique graphical user interface, the GUI, for the core wallet to mobile wallets and more. PIVX provides you with the tools, resources, and tech to be in control of your PIV at all times. Now, international community, PIVX was the first blockchain project to translate its website and materials into over 30 plus native languages, proudly supporting communities throughout the world. They have a track record of innovation, so they continue to lead and pioneer proof-of-stake privacy. We've delivered world-class coding standards and protocols for the larger blockchain industry. As a result, PIVX has accomplished many blockchain firsts. And self-funded no ICO, launched in 2016 with no pre-mine and no ICO, PIVX is one of the few truly fair-launched coins available today. So, contact information is on pivx.org if you do need to contact them. They do have a pretty lengthy roadmap on here. So just in a nutshell, they're developing a new Shield protocol, P2P networking, flow optimization, enhanced governance tab, in-wallet proposal creation, depreciated code cleanup, improved Tier 2 network synchronization, new reward structure, deterministic masternode lists, long-living masternode quorums, deterministic masternode proof of service, Tier 2 network redesign, new on-chain metadata transaction types, masternode system compatibility, and then we got the creation wizard, management of UI and UX, and it goes on and on and on. So tons of roadmap on here to go through all of the utilities and when they are coming out. Now the coin specs, also it says there's a max 2 MBs per block size. It's proof of stake, cold and hot POS. Block time is 60 seconds. Transactions per second 173. Not mineable, stakeable, yes, and masternode support, yes. And yeah, so then it goes over all the other coin specs as well on their webpage, emission rates, all that type of stuff. So you can check all of that out at pivx.org. And if you're looking to buy this coin, like I said, all you'd have to do is check out the referral codes down there and use that Coinex Global one. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about PIVX? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.